混乱したら。
It was almost like this earlier.
ね。じゃなくて、目につけるでしょ。そのままストレートに出すと、ほら、これの、わかる？
You understand? It has to be like this.
大工しないでまっすぐポイントってこうです。
Just forward.
これが、こうだったら、こんくらいのものなんですよ。こんだけ差が出る。
Okay, so this is how much it would be different. Distance, the height.
のこのつくぐらいが精一杯で、いわゆる相手がうわって錯覚するってほどのことはないわけ。いわゆる普通のつくになっちゃう。
If you're holding katana normally, yeah, keeping the tip at the opponent's eyes and thrusting would go towards probably around the throat. But if you have the sharp edge up, yeah, so if you have the tip at the height of the eyes and thrust from there, it goes down all the way down to the sea. Okay, if you kill your wrist trying to do that, yes, if you actually make contact with something, the tsuka's gonna fall out of your hand. Okay, in Japanese we call that shinite, which means dead hands.